Hello and welcome to Shopify Express. Today we are going to talk about what is Shopify Plus, how you can get the most of Shopify Plus, and what are the advantages, what are the pricing, what custom features we are getting in this Shopify Plus. Okay, let's move with. There is a customizable and crazy fast Shopify Plus platform. A lot of famous brands are already registered with Plus. Okay, most of people, if they are seeing their business is expanding, so they must have something that should not be breakable, just like um, unlimited bandwidth and web hosting at no extra cost, like 99.99% uptime across Shopify. So you will have global content delivery network, cloud-based infrastructure, lightning fast global servers, automatic platform updates. And the one of the biggest advantage of Shopify Plus is the peace of mind we get being with the biggest platform with the biggest players on it. Saying by Justin Gagino. And here you see with the size speed built on the platform built for speed, deliver high speed performance anywhere with global dual content delivery networks. You can say that reduce storefront response times with Shopify storefront rendered, optimize site speed with automatic WebP image conversions and SCSS liquid minification, like you see in other packages, other websites, you see a very slow speed, like so it's like you don't have to worry about the store speed. It will automatically be optimizing your images with highest resolution and lower sizes, minifying your CSS, and this will speed up your checkout by 60% with Shopify, right? So here what the fantastic parts comes, like break your sales records, not your website. A good saying by Shopify, like if you are going to have more than 1 million traffic per day on your store, then you must have something worryable that your website might be getting down or something like that. But here in Shopify Plus, we never seen such sort of issues, and Shopify Plus has like more than 10k brands are registered with Shopify Plus, 1 million plus SKUs from their biggest customers, and total sales from millions of Shopify businesses, like $314 billion. And request per minute across Shopify is like 10,978 requests. So here's the scale of scope of Shopify Plus, you can see with your eyes here. And another fantastic thing that AR technologies you can have built in with Shopify Plus, just like this. A product is showing here, like with 3D vision, like control how your brand shows up, customize your online store and checkout with an intuitive editor, and access the code directly. Like convert more with custom discount logic, online wallets and subscriptions APIs. Make any device a digital storefront through Shopify APIs and SDK. Innovate with AR, video and 3D on product pages. You can see it live in Shopify Plus. And there is another interesting feature Shopify Plus offers, that is integration and extensibility. Like you can integrate with all of the famous softwares you see in the market, like Microsoft, SAP, Acumatica, NetSuite, QuickBooks. These all are plug-and-play systems that can be integrated with Shopify Plus very easily. And yes, you can have much more things on Shopify Plus. The Shopify APIs are exceptional. Comparing these to other platforms is night and day. This makes it so much easier to build your own experience and be productive. TJ Morito saying by him, like, there is no worries about security in terms of, when you have your website, a lot of clients, a lot of customers, they're buying things from your site, and it suddenly goes down due to some bad hack or things like that. So there is no worry about any security threat or hacking issue with the Shopify. It protects everything for the risk analysis, 3D secure checkout, payment data encryption, boot protection, level 1 PCI DSS compliant, SOC to type 2 compliance. And here's a review testimony by a client, like, he's saying, after discovering Shopify Plus could handle our site requirements, we needed to be on this platform, allowed not having to worry about security or getting hacked. Well said by Nitin Gupta, right? And then there's a lot of like 6,600 plus apps in the Shopify app stores, with 195 plus Shopify Plus partners, 50 plus Shopify Plus certified apps. So you can say that there's a lot to have in Shopify Plus. You can also put your money where your brand is, like / unnecessary non-premise cost for your budget forever. With Shopify Plus, you can make changes fast with a small, nimble team without wasting your time or money. Like, you don't have to be the ongoing cost of hosting and infrastructure, the last minute stress of performance and load testing, the need for security patches, point release and upgrade the time and cost of outsourcing. Simple changes you can do yourself is plug and play system. Another testimonial, getting our license, hosting and CDN from Shopify Plus saved us about $100,000 per year right off the bat. Dana Harbor, never upgrade or outgrow your platform again. So this is the platform migrations, like traditional platforms, 12 to 18 months, Shopify Plus 3 to 4 months, and then access to our proprietary suite of data migration tools, robust theme selection, customization, and mobile support, guidance to domain setup, redirects, product taxonomies, and documentation. Shopify Plus priority support for 24/7 technical help. They are always available, like 24/7. Sometimes you are on Shopify Basic, Shopify and Shopify Advanced plans, but you don't have support for like Saturday, Sunday, off weekends. But here you got 24/7 support for Shopify Plus. So if you are looking for Shopify Plus, then you should have it. Okay, let's move towards the pricing. Okay, in Shopify Plus we got straight $2,000 per month. It's not a big amount if we are looking about all the features they are offering, like in terms of security, bandwidth, hosting, like transparent pricing, clear value. The value of our commerce software should be crystal clear, like selling in 90 days for $2,000 a month kind of deal. Like they can let you sell your first sale in just 90 days. This is the vision by Shopify Plus. Our 10,000 of world's leading brand trust Shopify Plus every day, right? And there's a lot of more things that we can not discuss here in this small video. So I hope you guys like the channel and subscribe, so that we can have further videos on Shopify Plus with a complete new playlist, so we can discuss features on each video, very brief and very deep. videos on every simple feature of Shopify Plus, like in terms of sell, like that can include sell everywhere, online store, international e-commerce, omni-channel commerce, headless commerce, campaigns and flash sales, retails and point of sales, B2B e-commerce. In manages, we have managed complexity, automation, shipping, payments. You don't have to worry about these things. Like in the integration, you have automation, headless commerce, partners, and migrate. We are already looking into it. Like here, do more for less. Already talked about this thing. So here is another testimonial, like with journey of digital transformation, which is why we bet on Shopify Plus as our core platform. What used to take 200 plus people in my past life, now we can do with 20. So that has huge operational benefit. Like you can do it with just 4 to 5 guys with you, then you can handle millions of sales per day without any hassle. Shopify Plus will be doing everything for you. Like start selling on Shopify Plus in less than 90 days. Traditional platform, 12 to 18 months. It takes 12 to 18 months to re-platform with traditional software vendors. With Shopify Plus, it is 3 to 4 months or faster, right? So they take years, but you can take only days. That is saying by the Shopify official. Here another testimonial. So now we will be discussing some frequently asked questions here, like what included in the 2000 per month Shopify Plus plan. Here we go. All enterprise power you need to manage your business without the weight and cost of legacy enterprise software. Sell more now, get up to 18% higher conversions with Shop Pay and a 60% faster checkout. Future proof with built-in AR, video and 3D media on product pages. Deliver localized shipping experience with multiple store currencies and languages for B2B and DTC. This is why Shopify Plus has more value. Like you can have more shipping customizations regarding delivery and everything. Customize your checkout and offer advanced discounts and shipping rates. Like in the checkout, before we don't have such options available in the checkout. We can't have access to checkout.liquid in our admin of Shopify's basic plans. But here in Plus, we can customize the checkout as well regarding discounts and shipping. Never lost a sale with unlimited transactions. Products 99.99% uptime. So manage the businesses, not just the store. Manage all your store staff counts, automated workflow for one location. Your Shopify admin save time and money by automation regarding campaigns, discounts, complex processes, reduce the cost of doing your taxes, and charge up-to-date rates with Avara tax automation. So there is another feature like integrate in minutes, launch in weeks, get up and selling fast with rapid integration across your tech stack and tools. Migrate your customers' products and all data into your Shopify store. Work with certified apps and partners to send the platform the way you want. Okay, the next question is how much does it cost to migrate to Shopify Plus? Shopify does not charge you to migrate, and if you are going to migrate to Shopify Plus through me, then I'll also definitely not going to charge you anything. But the migration cost depends on your business and existing commerce platform. Migration is your responsibility, but a Shopify Plus representative can outline potential costs and resources needed. On the platform, you'll work with a dedicated launch engineer, some technical consultants who will guide you, move and set up. Launch engineers help you scalable solutions to avoid rebuilding in the future. So if you are interested in migrating to Shopify Plus after knowing about a lot of these features I discussed just now, you can just simply click on the link in the description and you will have my consultation for Shopify Plus migration easily. So how does the variable fee work? Like the Shopify Plus plan starts in 2000 USD a month for standard setups and creation. For more complex, higher volume businesses, structures our variable fees options flexible with your requirements. Just like I can give you an idea, like if you have more than 1 million sales per month, then it can be extended from 2000 to 25, but not more than 2500 after 1 million sales per month. So what are your credit card rates with Shopify Payments? Credit card rates vary by country, so it will depends. What are the transaction fees? If you are a third-party payment processor, Shopify will charge 0.15% per transaction to cover additional security requirements. And if you use Shopify Payments, the fee is waived. You can also take advantage of up to 18% higher conversion rates when you enable Shop Pay. So there is what other costs are there? Like none. But if you need custom development, you should factor a Shopify Plus partner into your budget, and you can hire me directly through the link in the description with the consultation. Other optional costs are one-time theme purchases, any third-party apps you need, and tax information from Valara Tax. That is 250 USD per month. How many online stores can I have? You can create unlimited online stores, sell in different countries and languages, and make site accessible for global audiences. Your main store and 9 expansion stores are all part of your monthly platform fee, with an additional cost of like 250 USD per month for each extra store. So you don't have to worry about 2000 per store. You just have to pay 250 for an extra 9 stores, like each 250 into 9. So do I still need to use apps with Shopify Plus? Shopify Plus isn't meant to replace all of your apps, but we can replace many. Like, in terms of speed optimization, you're getting a lot of things done without apps, including automation and customization helps to run your businesses. So if you are looking to have much more questions, then you can also have a consultation with us through Upwork. We are very available for all your questions, and we'll try to make you confident after the consultation, like regarding each and every question regarding Shopify Plus, because already having clients on Shopify Plus who are getting more than 1 million sales per month. And are there extra charges for the Shopify Plus Merchant Success Program? No, the Merchant Success Program is a key part of our partnership model and one of our strategies for your success and growth. So here all the things I have mentioned in this video we discussed. I hope you guys have clear idea of what Shopify Plus is, how to get it. Like if you are going to have Shopify Plus for your business, you must click in the link in the description, and you will definitely have our services, and we love to guide you and implement your business on Shopify Plus. Have a great day. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and like it so others can also watch it. Thank you. Bye bye.